Hey guys, what's up? To the Jays here from Ragged Sneakers. So let's have a closer look, buyer's guide, and detailed review of this Wade Son of Flush. Let's go! Alright, so before tayo mag-start guys, no, please subscribe naman po and hit the notification bell para at least updated kayo sa mga susunod na mga shoe reviews. Alright. Guys, so start tayo guys sa materials na gamit sa uppers, no. This is a mesh materials na medyo malambot, no, and also meron siyang parang infused plastic for the support and parang leather dito, no. And for the tongue guys, yung materials na gamit parang jersey type. So air ventilation niya is good naman guys, no. Kasi hindi naman siya covered ng TPU plastic. So malambot and air ventilation is good. Kaso lang, for the tongue part, no, hindi siya masyadong makapal yung foam na gamit, no. So, medyo manipis lang, and dito lang bandang makapal, no, sa heel part niya. And dito, sa foot mo, wala na, no. Hindi siya masyadong foamy dito. But, pag suot mo to guys, is comfortable naman, no. This is a very comfortable shoes. Kaso lang, cushioning nito guys, hindi masyadong makapal. It's because this shoes is for the fast or mga mabibilis na mga player. No? Kasi pag makapal yung cushion mo, yung movement mo is madidelay. So, ang heel, tawag nito, ang court feel mo is good dito. It's because medyo manipis yung cushioning niya. Kasi for the uh, fake na mga cushion is good for the player na mabibigat or matatangkad because kailangan nila ng impact support, no? Suporta din sa mga tuhod na masasakit. Tulad ko, no? Kaya nga pinalitan ko yung insole nito, guys, no? So, this is the insole na lagay ko. Ito yung nilagay ko ngayong insole. Pwedeng mabili sa Shopee na malambot siya, no? Kasi parang may foam, no? Parang boost na foam. Ito kasi yung original na insole niya. Actually good naman, pero manipis siya. Ayun, medyo manipis. So, pinalitan ko para at least, di ba, magamit ko. Kasi hindi tayo mabilis guys, no? So, gusto ko kasi yung design na ito kasi head turner to sa court eh. 'Di ba? It's because of the reflective ng parang kidlat niya, 'di ba? Kakaiba. No? So, ayun guys, for the support guys, no, ito yung design niya mismo is for lateral support. And also dito, no, as I've said earlier, no, meron siyang support din dito na parang leather. And also dito sa heel part niya, may leather at yung materials na gamit and matigas dito. So, meron siyang heel counter or heel ankle support. And also guys, hindi visible yung torsion plate niya, no? Pero ramdam mo dito inside, no? Kasi parang matigas na. Ito ata na yun eh, yung torsion plate niya. So, good naman, no? Hindi siya masyadong, diba? So, anti-tapilok. Pwedeng-pwede. No? So, for the lacing system niya, is parang normal lang naman yung lacing system. Wala siya masyadong technology na gamit. Alright, and for the for the outsole, gamit nito is hard rubber, no? Parang herringbone yung design niya and also parang may kidlat na itim. Ayun, no? Ang ganda ng shoes. As in, pag tatakbo ka, ito yung nakikita, no? So, head turner talagang shoes na to, no? So, for the performance, guys, top tier yung performance ng shoes na to, guys, no? Sobrang squeaky. Although, hindi naman nagba-base yan sa performance. Pero, mas masarap pakinggan or ma-feel mo talaga yung ano niya, yung parang kapit sa court if squeaky yung ano, sorry, squeaky yung shoes, no? And even the dusty court, guys, ilang pahid lang yan kasi hindi naman siya nag-accumulate masyado ng dust. So, ilang pahid lang yan. All good na kagad, no? So, yun. And for the sizing, guys, ng shoes na to, guys, no? This is a narrow-footed na shoes. No, ayan. For the normal footed or footer, no, kailangan half size up, and for the wider footer, kailangan ng one size up. Alright. So, guys, no, at least alam nyo na kung para saan to or para kaninong ganitong shoes, no. Hindi lang bibili tayo na wala tayong alam. Kaya andito si Tito J para at least alam nyo bago kayo bibili ng ganitong shoes, no. Pero kung, 'di ba, kung like masasakit yung mga tuhod natin, may paraan naman. Kaya bili lang tayo nito. Kasi ganda talaga eh. Turner talaga yung shoes na to. And also the gray one, no, solid din guys, no. And for the inquiries guys or order, no, comment lang sa comment section, at kung may mga request kayo guys na shoes na kailangan natin i-review or at least may buyer's guide kayo bago kayo bibili, just comment in the comment section guys. And please guys, thank you so much for watching guys. That's it for day. Tito J is out. Peace.